Hi friends, I am Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I will discuss a very important rubric in today's world. In today's world of psychosis where everything is so glamorous, everything is so virtual. So the exactness, we don't know what is exact, what is the reality. It's all a virtual world. A very important psychotic rubric that you will see in lot many of cases in your practice. The rubric is envy. Yes, envy. Matlab, this is such an important rubric to understand and then take in our repertory chart. First of all, in short, you have to understand what is the meaning of envy. Envy means what? It is a desire to have something, some property, or something which others have achieved, or others have, and you feel envious, you feel jealous of that. Envy, a very important envy rubric, which is so common in our day-to-day practice. But you have to understand there are very close linking rubrics to the rubric envy that we have to identify and then take the rubric for prescription. Envy, basically, in literal meaning, it is more of a materialistic thing. Means if he has a car, I should also have a car. If he has a better car than me, then I should have a better car. If he has a clinic, which is very nice, I'll make a clinic which is better than this. So everything envious. You don't feel happy for other person. You all envious. More of material thing. That is envy. So that you have to understand and take the rubric for repetization. The main linking rubrics to envy is avarice. AVARICE. Very important linking rubric. The second linking rubric that you have to remember is sadness. But you say sadness has lot of remedies and lot of rubrics of sadness. I am telling sadness, happy on seeing others. If you feel very sad because he is very happy, then it is envious. See, a very close knitted rubric. Somebody is doing well in his life, somebody has a good practice, somebody is a good academician, and we are very envious. Why I am not envious? Or you can say sadness on seeing others happy. A very important linking rubric for envy. As you read the repertory more, then you understand there are so many linking rubrics. I am just giving you an insight. One more rubric, linking rubric that comes to my mind is selfishness, egotism. Lot of ego envious people have, and that's also very linking rubric to envy. Sometimes you take the rubric envy, sometimes egotism or selfishness. They are very closely related. Or you can say envious, again a very closely related rubric to envious is, you must have guessed it right, and that is jealousy. Very important rubric, very important thing in today's world, jealousy. So this is some of the linking rubrics to envious that comes to my mind. That's what I'm discussing, and that's what rubric I have taken in my practice, and I've got very nice results by taking this in repetization and considering the linking rubrics to envious, like avarice, like jealousy, sadness on seeing others happy, selfishness, or egotism. So, my dear friends, this is a very short description of envious which I have told you. In order to learn this rubric, you first have to read the in detail the meaning of envious, then go to the repertory, search the linking rubrics. What I have told you, there may be more rubrics that you have to understand. But it is only an eye opener for everybody that you have to consider the linking rubrics in order to have a perfect rubric for the case. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.